Hey guys, it's Eric here again at Enharmonic Studios. Today we're checking out Surprise Sound Lab's Flex15. This is a handmade Class A amplifier, all built here in Colorado Springs, Colorado. Local boys, and they're doing up some really nice gear. Let's check it out. So this is Surprise Sound Lab's Flex15 amplifier. It is a 25 watt Class A single-ended amp, but it runs 15 watts in triode mode. And due to a little bit of magic button on the back there, you can go 7, 10, 15, or 25 watt modes. So if you're going to record at home in your apartment late at night, or play on a huge stage, you've got enough juice to do whatever you need to do. It's a no negative feedback amp, and I have to tell you that the dynamics are incredible throughout every gain stage of the amp. You really feel your guitar playing coming right out through the speakers. It's fantastic to play through this amp. It's a 2-channel amp, but the way I've been using it lately is the effects loop is actually my 3rd channel, because the effects loop is a 2-buffered loop run in parallel or series mode. It also has a send and return level. So I've been using the return level to boost up for leads. So let's check this bad boy out. On the front end here, channels 1 and 2 share the bass and the treble knobs. We have input and input gains, bright switch on both channels. Channel switching is done by the front switch or the supplied foot switch from Surprise Sound Lab. Now channels 1 and 2 have independent bass frequency pre-gain roll-off switches. So leave all your bass in, tighten up your amp, tighten up your guitar sound before it even hits the amplifier. And then the bass knob here brings everything back in, or blends a little bit more back in what you need. 3 levels of boost on the channels. Now the really fantastic thing that I've found about this amp is the mid-range. We have on channel 1 a 3-way switch to determine where we're at in the mids, and on channel 2 a 5-way rotary click switch. It goes to everything from very old school King's X sounding stuff to molten 7 dusty heavy drop tuned stuff. You can dial in any sort of sound you're looking for just by adjusting and messing with the mid-range. Output channels, we are running this bad boy pretty hot today. We're running it at 25 watts. It is going through a 412 speaker cabinet with 1 microphone and a little preamp. We're going to bump up the bright switch and give our green channel a little bit more gain, and we're going to actually leave all the bass in to let the guitar sound a little more natural for this riff. This is our second channel, distortion all the way up, volume all the way up, and what we're going to do is run through our mid scoops right here. So check these riffs out. Thanks guys for watching a new video here at Enharmonic Studios on the Surprise Sound Lab's Flex15 amplifier. One note on this bad boy is that the power amp is run in parallel, so you can run 6L6s, which is what we're doing today, or EL34s if you want that sort of tight, aggressive sound, or you can run any combination in any order you want, which is really kind of neat about this amp. So check out Surprise Sound Lab online. Colorado Springs local boys here making amps for you and me here in the mountains.